Hi guys, in this video I will show how to use tab widget in Elementor's WordPress plugin. Now we go to our dashboard, add pages, open in a new tab, search it now. Go to the edit with Elementor. We use the content tab and it is free widget of Elementor tab. Now we click tab. Click here. Click plus sign and general section. Click tab 1 2 3 tab 1 2 3, or you can add more tab from here. Tab 1 we can use drag widget here. At first click here and then click a headline and then click text editor. Rename it and title. Digital marketing and add your heading text here. Or you can add here any text. Now we go to the another tab with this tab, this digital marketing, this section. In this section, now click here plus sign and go click tab again, drag here and again add this section, digital marketing section, another tab. We can keep it different direction. We could keep it above, we can keep it left side and add its title. Click here and drag widget here. Click here. We can take any structure, just we click this one. Now here we can keep a text box, text editor, and in this part we can keep a image. And now we can add here a heading also. here. No, not this way. Just delete it. And again, we try to keep here a heading. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we keep it in different sizes. Just click style and size. This size is okay and perfect. Now we can add here text, and now we can add button. Yes, here, an image. Just choose image, click this image and select here. Now we can add more part. Tab 2. Again, we can keep in this way and link here another page. This link and link text, we can change it. Click here. And add SEO service page link, add here. Okay, now we can add more service here. Now again we go to the first tab, digital marketing tab, and tab 2 we can add. At first rename it. Title just. And again we headline, or again we can add tab like this one, this section, tab 2. And tab 3, again we customize it, tab 3 also. And we can change it color, between, distance from content, everything. Even we can change the background type, border type, box shadow. Yes, we can customize this box shadow. In this way we customize it, this content tab. And it is free part of Elementor, free plugin. Publish. This is business strategy, this tab. We can customize in this way. If it is useful, then like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next.